Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this brand new 2025 Yamaha 190 FSH Sport. Beautiful boat, guys, one of my favorite boats from Yamaha. It's got this nice gray accent stripe, white hull color on the bottom here, black rub rail with the stainless insert, has your pop-up cleats throughout the whole boat, nav lights integrated into the sides. Comes with this great aluminum trailer, perfect for saltwater use. Let's take a look at the back and the inside. Looking at the back of the 190 FSH, you'll see it's got your traditional open swim deck that Yamaha has on all its boats. 2 cup holders on each side for hanging out for your beverage. Cup holders everywhere, rod holders everywhere, pop-up cleats, nice boarding ladder to get aboard. Let's check out the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 190 FSH. You'll see the bow is nice and open. Perfect platform for casting, loading up the boat, docking the boat, laying out, whatever you must have. Nice storage compartment up front, anchor lazarette all the way up, and grab handles for when you're riding. Nice forward console seat, perfect size for 2 full-size adults to sit here. As you walk down the back, you'll see rod holder storage underneath your gunnels, nice combing pads for your knees. And guys, again, cup holders and rod holders everywhere. So every beverage has a spot, every rod has a spot. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see the Yamaha Connect screen. This is going to give you all your performance data. This boat does have the new 1.9 liter engine. You see the helm is open here to add any fish finder you like. All your switches and your stereo. Guys, you also, batteries are located here, and you got an additional live well on this side. Reversible seat, and these seats also come out if you're fishing and they're not needed. Guys, for more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.